Welcome to the Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center. We're so glad to have you all touring our beautiful grounds today. We are the Botanic Garden of Texas and a highly regarded University of Texas at Austin research unit. We're known for plant conservation, landscape restoration, and sustainable approaches to landscape design. Our mission is to inspire the conservation of native plants. We are committed to increasing public understanding of native plants, landscapes, and ecosystems, inspiring people to improve the environment, excellence in the display of native plants, honoring the vision, spirit, and legacy of our founders, expanding our knowledge and applying it to environmental challenges, providing exceptional experiences to our guests, and most importantly, we're committed to environmental sustainability. The Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center was originally named the National Wildflower Research Center and was founded in 1982 by former First Lady Claudia Alta Lady Bird Johnson and actress Helen Hayes to preserve and protect North America's native flora. In 2006, the center became part of the University of Texas at Austin. We strive to be an inclusive, safe, and respectful environment for everyone, including our wildlife. For these reasons, we have etiquette expectations for all visitors. There are all sorts of sights, sounds, and textures to experience around the center. However, we ask that you do not disturb our flora by picking flowers or stepping on the garden beds. Stay on flat surfaces, not the rocky borders. This keeps both you and our plant life safe. We share this area with wild animals like lizards, insects, and even snakes. Be respectful of their space and do not harm them. If you see a snake, admire from afar and do not get close. Instead, have a chaperone find someone with a radio and report the snake sighting to them. We have a spring, ponds, and other water features at the center. Upon entering the courtyard, you'll see a man-made spring situated right in the center of it. It may not look like it, but this spring is 10 feet deep, so we ask that you be extra careful when admiring it. The Dino Creek in the family garden is the only water feature that can have hands or feet in it. Please keep all body parts out of other water features and keep any coins in your pockets. We have first aid kits in 5 locations around the center. In the gift shop, in the Great Hall, in the admin building, by the bathrooms past the Arboretum, and by the restrooms in the Lucy and Ian family garden. Children cannot go up the tower unaccompanied. Please break off into smaller groups and take turns on visiting the tower. This ensures a safe and comfortable viewing experience for both you and other guests. There are water coolers alongside bathrooms all around the center. In the courtyard, between the gift shop and the Little House, in the admin building, in the Lucy and Ian family garden, past the Arboretum, and lastly, there's a lone water fountain in the play lawn by the Savannah Meadow Trail. Youth groups or school field trip groups have designated picnic areas around the center as well. Out front by the parking lot, next to the Little House, before the entrance to the Woodland Trail, and there are additional picnic areas throughout the Arboretum Trail. These spaces are first come, first served. The courtyard and pavilion are not meant for youth groups or school field trip groups to eat their lunches or snacks. Please also avoid eating lunches or snacks in the cafe, in or out, as these eating areas are not for youth groups or school field trip groups. Additionally, we ask that you bring a trash bag to pack your own trash, since food and garbage bring out fire ants and other critters. We ask that there be 1 adult for every 5 to 8 kids in the gift shop. Unfortunately, we do not give prizes for scavenger hunt activities to youth groups or school field trip groups. The center is a beautiful place to visit for people of all ages. Our breathtaking flora and fauna can be distracting, but please keep an eye on your students and always make sure they're with you. The recommended chaperone to student ratio is 1 adult per 5 pre-K to elementary students, 1 adult per 12 middle to high school students. Our central gardens, arboretum, trails, and carefully managed natural areas total up to 284 acres of land to care for. And for you to explore our grounds safely, it is important that you follow guest etiquette. All the locations mentioned earlier are marked on the center map you received in your tour packet. You can always reference the center map during your visit if you forget where something is. This tour packet holds beneficial resources that chaperones can reference at any time, so make sure to take a look at it. Thank you for supporting the Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center and helping us care for our flora and fauna. We hope you enjoy the entirety of your visit and hope to see you back again soon.